What's the meaning of burgh? Burgh. Burgh.
burgh, burgh, burgh is a term used in Scotland and other parts of northern England to refer to a type of settlement or town. Historically, burghs were important centers of commerce and trade and often had fortified walls and gates for protection. Today, burghs typically have a population of fewer than 10,000 people and may still have remnants of their historic architecture and layout. The term burgh is similar to the English word borough and is derived from the Old English burh, meaning fortress or walled town.